Hey, what is up you guys? Alright, today we're going to be doing a tutorial for Liam Gallagher's Once. Alright, an absolutely beautiful song, very simple as well. Alright, so let's just get straight into this. Okay, the few things you're going to need to know is your guitar is in standard tuning, but you do require a capo on the 4th fret. Alright, if you want to play along with the song. If you don't have a capo, don't worry about it. Learn it as it is just now. Once you get yourself one, play along with the song. Perfect. Okay, so the chords you're going to need. There is 6 in total. Alright, they are a D, a B minor, an F sharp minor, an E minor, a G, and an A. Okay, so let's break them down for you. Okay, so your D, take your first finger, place it onto the 2nd fret of your 3rd string. Your 2nd finger goes onto the 2nd fret of your 1st string, and your 3rd finger goes onto the 3rd fret of your 2nd string. Like so. Alright, that is your D. Alright, then you have a B minor. A bit more tricky for you beginners, this is a bar chord. Alright, if you're struggling with bar chords, I do have a tutorial on my channel, check it out, I'll quickly explain it now for you, right? So using that first finger, you're going to bar, alright? You're going to press down on every single string from the 5th string down on that 2nd fret. Alright, then you're going to add your 3rd finger in onto the 4th fret of your 1st string, and your 4th finger, goes underneath onto your 4th fret of your 3rd string, and your 2nd finger comes in the middle on the 3rd fret of your 2nd string. Alright, like so. Alright guys, that is your B minor. Alright, next chord, F sharp minor. All you're going to do is take that B minor shape and you're going to shift every finger up one and remove that middle finger. Like so. Alright, so that's your B minor up to your F sharp minor. Take away that 2nd finger. Alright. Next, we have an E minor. Nice and simple chord. Alright, after doing those bar chords. Okay, I personally use my 2nd and 3rd finger. Use whatever fingers you want. Alright, so take your 2nd finger, place it onto the 2nd fret of your 5th string, and then your 3rd finger directly underneath onto the 2nd fret. 4th string. Alright, that's your E minor. I play it like that, some people play it like that, some people play it like that, or however you want to play it. Right, I personally find that this is the easiest. Alright, E minor, nice and simple. Okay, next we have a G. Okay. Now to play a G, you take your 1st finger, you place it onto the 2nd fret of your 5th string, take your 2nd finger, place it onto the 3rd fret of your 6th string, and your 3rd and 4th fingers onto the 3rd fret of your 1st and 2nd strings. Like so. So 1st finger goes there, 2nd finger there, and your 3rd and 4th down the bottom here. Alright, that's your G. Okay, and then finally your A. Again, this is a chord that can be played in 2 different ways. I personally prefer to use my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers. Okay, so whatever fingers you want to use, alright, you want to take them and you're going to place them on the 2nd fret on your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings. So cram them all in there, alright, they do fit. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but trust me, after a while you'll get there. Alright, that's your A. And that's it, that's all you're going to need. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So the intro and the verse, alright. So the verse and intro is the same, alright, it goes as follows, alright, this is how it's going to sound. I will tell you the chords as I'm going to play them, alright, so to begin with, you play 2 measures of D. And change to B minor, to F sharp minor, to E minor, and repeat. Only play that D once through though, this time. Sharp minor, E minor. Alright, so that is the verse. Alright, the strumming that Liam uses, alright, sounds like this. So it's down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Alright. Alright, so that's your intro slash verse, alright, and the verse remains the same throughout the whole song, alright, so that's the verse is down. Next we have the chorus, alright, and the chorus sounds a little like this. so in order to play that, you take a G, you play that for 1 full measure, 4 beats to the bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, D for half, and A for half. Alright, so what I mean by that is you take that 4 beats to the bar and you split it in half. Alright, and one chord is for the first two beats, so that's your D for the first two and your A for the second two. So it sounds like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so all you're doing is taking that 4 beats to the bar, splitting it in half between two chords. Alright, so you've done that 3 times. Alright, then you have a single strum of your E minor, single strum of your G, and then back to playing that D. Getting ready for the verse, then back to the verse. Alright, verse is the same. Then you have another chorus, which is the same. Apart from you don't do the single strums on that E minor and the G, or you just play them as normal. Getting ready for that D back, right? Instead of going into a verse, alright, it goes now to a bridge. Alright, and the bridge comes before the interlude. Alright, so the bridge is the part where it starts off by going, you only get to do it once, you only get to do it. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Does that several times. Alright, that's how this begins. Okay, so for the bridge, it's going to sound a little like this. Alright, so it's a B minor for a full measure, a D for a full measure, and then you do that split thing again, where you take the full beat, full bar, shall I say, split that in half, alright, between a B minor and an A. Then it goes to your interlude, alright, and your interlude is just D and B minor, played through 4 times, alright, so D, B minor, plays through 4 times, alright? And then you have another chorus, alright, but instead of playing that D several times, getting ready to go into a verse, there's no more verses, so you just end that on a single strum. Alright, that final D, alright, so your E minor, to your G, softer, softer, D to end. And that is it. That's the whole song, guys. Alright, so hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Alright, a little tip. Write it down. Alright, I do it. This is how I actually structure my lessons. So as you can see, I have the name of the song, the capo on the 4th, the different chords I'm going to need, then you have the intro, the chorus, etc, etc. This is actually really helpful, alright, so as you're watching videos like this, do take notes, alright? It means when you sleep tonight, then you can wake up tomorrow, refer to your notes, get back straight into it again. Quickest way to learn. Anyway guys, like I said, I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you haven't already, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, alright? And I'm doing as many uploads as I can at the moment, seeing as we're all stuck here. Can't go out anyways. And give this video a like if it was helpful for you. If you have any requests, please make sure you check out my request video on my channel. Alright, just go on my channel, scroll back, you will find it. Place your request in there, alright, because that's where I take my requests for videos from. Okay, guys, well, I love you all very, very much. Thank you so much for continuing to support this channel. I wouldn't be able to do it without you, alright? Love you all so much for that. So take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.